In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to download and install Adobe Photoshop on your PC or Mac. Start by checking the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the official Adobe Photoshop download page, the safest and most reliable way to get the program. Once you're there, click on Free Trial. Adobe gives you full access to Photoshop for 14 days. Every tool, every feature, completely unlocked. You can choose any plan to start, but I recommend the business plan for a smooth setup. Next, you'll need an Adobe ID. Enter your email and basic details. And yes, payment info is required for verification, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. Next, download and install the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open it, go to the Apps section, find Photoshop, and click Install. The download starts automatically. Once it's installed, launch Photoshop and start creating, edit photos, design graphics, or explore digital art tools, all free for 14 days. And that's it. A completely safe, official way to try Adobe Photoshop on your PC or Mac. Check out the link in the description to start your trial today, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll show you the best free Photoshop alternatives you can use forever.